Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified about new tutorials and giveaways. Hello everyone. Today we're going to cover some wood carving basics. Hope you find this video useful. Let's make the markup to draw a straight line on the workpiece. For this, put your fingertip here, fix the pencil, and go around. Cut under the line we drew. It's advisable to stick to the line, not cut it. It's better to cut out not a lot of wood at a time. The thumb of the left hand helps us carve out. It's more comfortable holding this tool by the blade. If you have the opportunity, you can clamp the workpiece on the machine. It's very handy when you can hold the tool with two hands and cut wood. The handle of this spoon knife can be held with two hands. It's very convenient because the blade is sharpened on both sides. Try helping push the knife spine with the thumbs. It helps to smooth out any burrs. If we need to cut on ourselves, better hold the knife with the thumbs. Note: it's forbidden to cut like this. The thumb of your right hand should never stand in the way of the knife. The structure of the wood fibers shall also be considered. It's easier to cut along the wood than against it. Fix the workpiece in your left hand and work with your right hand thumb. Help cut more wood with thumbs. We don't recommend cutting like this. Always make sure to control the movement and trajectory of the knife. Help with the thumb of your left hand to push the blade. With this knife, we do some delicate work. We don't recommend cutting like this. With this knife, it is very convenient to penetrate into hard-to-reach places. With this knife, it is very convenient to smooth out any ups and downs. This is all for today. Stay tuned till the new videos. Comment below if you liked the video or if you have any questions. Enjoy wood carving with BeaverCraft.